So the third question says the mass of a goat is measured as 68 kg, correct to the nearest kg. So what is the minimum possible mass of the goat? So we have to use, so this is basically us looking for what we call the lower bound, and the opposite of a lower bound is an upper bound. So what you do is take the accuracy and then divide it by 2, whatever value you get. For you to get the lower bound, you have to subtract. For you to get the upper bound, you have to add that accuracy, right? So to the nearest kg basically means to the nearest unit, which means it's just to the nearest one. And then divide 1 by 2, what you get is 0.5. So for you to get your lower bound, which is the minimum possible mass, all you have to do is subtract 68, subtract 0.5 from 68, which basically gives you 67.5. Yeah, so that's basically the answer. Yeah. It's like the fourth one says, on a farm, the recommended ratio of bulls to cows is 1 is to 25. How many bulls are needed for 300 cows? So what type of question is this? It's just a direct proportion question. So what we should notice is that if one bull is needed for 25 cows, it means if we have now 300 cows, we're going to need more bulls, right? More bulls. So all you have to do is use this ratio in this way and then cross multiply. 1 would multiply 300, and then 25 would multiply x, and then you would have to divide both sides where we have the equal sign in the middle, and then find out how many times um, 300 goes into 25, and then 25 goes into 300. And mind you, we're not supposed to use a calculator. So how can we do it? The easiest way, I would say, 25 goes in 4 times into 100. So if the hundreds are 3, we would have to multiply the 4 by 3, which is 12. So we need 12 bulls for 300 cows. Okay, so the last one on this page says 573,000. We should express it in standard form correct to two significant figures. So standard form is basically writing numbers in scientific form to the powers of 10. So usually you would find a number being expressed in this form. So this is like 100k in standard form. So what do? You take your 573,600